Hello, my name is Sofia. I'm the first grade student in Business School at Turiba. I'm studying computer systems as a professional bachelor, and this is my project for the uh, first semester. The task was to create a game in Java programming language that will work as a two-dimensional shooter with having corresponding aims to aim it. Scores that change accordingly to users' actions, and the whole game was supposed to last only 60 seconds. Here you can see the libraries that I mainly used for my task. This is the IntelliJ IDEA program that I used for actually writing the code. As you can see, I used three classes for different needs, but here I just used Java Swings because both of these classes are responsible for just creating um, Windows Java frames, so nothing special. And this is the main class that is responsible for everything that happens on the screen. And as you can see, here is pretty much of different libraries that I used. For example, this one is for images, for reading images from computers. This is for actually reading actions from the mouse of the user. And now I will show how it actually works. Here we can see the first screen or JFrame, which you can refer to it in different ways. And as we press start, the game itself starts, and you can see three aims that are available to aim at, and the score. Also, here is a donut. It's just a fun thing. If you touch it, there'll be just a string that you have touched it. It doesn't mean anything. And here, if you press the squares that are aims, you will gain points. But if you press not the squares, you will get minus points. And as you can see, 60 seconds have passed, so the game stopped. And that's all for my presentation, I think.
Hello, my name is Roland. I'm studying in Turiba University, a computer systems professional bachelor in computer systems, and in our Java course this first semester, we had an additional task. It was to create a shooter game. These were the Java libraries that I used to create the game, like buffered image, IO file, file reader, file writer, event, and image IO. And I also had a bunch of these other classes that do specific things. For example, the enemy class just has a bunch of logic, and for the enemy, the playfield class has a bunch of logic for the playfield, and the playfield also initializes and adds enemies to the playfield. And the class main.java has a bunch of logic concerning the game and other stuff. This is how it looks. First, you enter your name, and it also keeps a score. It also saves the score on your personal computer, somewhere on your drive. For example, if I put in Rolands, I can start the game, play it, and shoot balls. And after 60 seconds, the game will end. While working on this project, I encountered many problems, which I solved by just looking at other people's code and asking people online about my problems. It mostly was my inexperience in Java coding that was the problem, and I couldn't solve them by myself just because I didn't know how Java specifically worked and interacted with other stuff. And when the game is over, your score is displayed, and you can try again or go back to the main menu and see the scoreboard updated. Thank you.